I've got the Houston flooded out blues. 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 More rains are coming, it's said on the news. I've got the Houston flooded out blues. These flatlands of Texas, when rain's coming down, it backs up the ditches and it covers the ground. Gumbo and concrete, rain night and day. The water comes up and it won't go away. I've got the Houston flooded out blues. Sitting in my house drinking some gin. Before I knew it, the damn water's coming in. Under the front door and in through the brick, soaking the carpet and it's making me sick. That's why I've got the Houston flooded out blues. 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 More rains are coming, it's said on the news. I've got the Houston flooded out blues. Mattress is soggy, furniture's a loss. My walls are all moldy and my rug's growing moss. The neighbor's possessions are strewn out on my grass. Got athlete's feet fungus all over my ass. I've got the Houston flooded out blues. From stacking my stuff up, I've got a sore back. My doctor's got me taking Prozac. I'm giving up liquor, getting rid of my pills. I'm going to Austin to buy me a hill. 'Cause I've got the Houston flooded out blues. 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 More rains are coming, it's said on the news. I got the Houston flooded out blues. Oh yeah.